welcome back to my channel. It's Rahel here, and today there is a new update in Adopt Me, and I am so excited to do this. There is new gifts. I have no gifts, but I have already opened the gifts. Because I couldn't wait, I made another video, but that turned out really wrong. So let me just show you what gifts I got. I got the lemon slicer propeller. I got the two of armchair float, a burger balloon, 3 controller balloons. Ooh, more money! Yay! I got, where is it? Oh, I got Princess Rattle and a plate of food disc. Oh, wait, yeah, disc. I got a tangerine chew toy. I got this leash. I don't know how to pronounce it, but okay. I got the huggable pillow and the soda chew toy and the last one. Oh, the sun balloon. I think there's one more. I'm not sure. Let me just look through it. Wait, that's it. Wait, no, the tangerine chew toy, that's not a part of it. Sorry, take that away. I think that's all I got. Okay, and then let's move on to the vehicles. I got this vehicle. I got the futuristic unicycle. I got no food. I got 2 catapult strollers, which looks amazing. And that's it. So I'm gonna age up my pet, but first let's go get some more money. But this one just needs to be, wait, they're all posting. Yay, I can go to snow again. Alrighty, so let's go age up my snowman, and we need like a couple more things. I have no idea, but let's just go get some more stuff because I am excited. No, literally, I'm excited. So I don't really care if I get doubled anymore. I just want some toys and stuff like that. Because I mean, why not? Alright, let's do this. Let's try to get. I'm aiming for here, this thingy. I'm aiming for the high heel stroller, or the potato, or something in the rares except for the unicycle. So let's do that. Let's see how much things I need. I need this. I got everything here but this thingy. I don't know what it's called. I have this. I still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Guys, okay. I got all of it but 8. So let's try to open this gift. I want it to be the potato slush. I want it to be the potato plushie. Another soda chew toy. Okay, that's actually good. Let's go make some more money because I'm poor now. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Like, I need to get to the point where it has the update thingy-mabobs, the update picture. So let me get to that picture. Guys, look at it. It's so cool. It looks amazing. Okay, let's get back onto the game. Alrighty, guys. So my thinking is I'm gonna make up to like $200, $100, so we can buy like 1, 2 gifts. I mean, not 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts, like that. So I'll see you guys when I have like $200. Alrighty, guys. I am almost there. Wait, if I catch this out. I have $200. Oh my god, I did not plan that. Guys, let's go to the, let me finish my snowman's tasks. Let's just finish my snowman's task because, I want to get more money so we can buy like 5 gifts. I don't know how much, 4 or 5 gifts. Let's do this. Where's my snowman? I'll see you guys when I am all done. Guys, this is adorable. I love the new actions. Just look. It's so cute, guys. I love this new update. It's especially of the gifts. The gifts are so exciting. Fun. Look, it's so cute. So cute. heart happy. Why is that cute? Oh my god, I can't stop doing that. Alright guys, let's just go open the gifts. I have $233. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, let's teleport to the gift section. Alrighty guys, we teleported. I'm gonna try so hard editing that because I just want to try super hard editing. So guys, it's gonna take a long time editing this video. But let's just feed my pet because he's hungry. Oh, I have no food. I can't even feed my pet if I'm feeding it. Let's just feed my pet really quickly so we have a little bit more. Yes. Oh my god, that is adorable! I love this new update, especially because the little face actions. That is so cute. Okay, guys, let's buy some. Oh no, I'm accidentally opening one. Okay, I got a couple gifts and I found another leash. Alrighty, let's open these gifts. A sun balloon! I hope I get something rare. I want to get something out of the rares. Please be something out of the rares. I hope it's something out of the rares. I want to be something out of the rares. Please, please, please. Oh, that's okay. I guess I'm gonna make some more money. Like $100. I'm not that far. I'm pretty far actually. Let's make $100 so we can get a gift. This is gonna probably be our last gift, probably because I'm running out of money. So yeah. And I can't keep making money every like couple minutes. It's gonna take like 20 minutes to make $20. Like 10 minutes, and yeah. Let's just make $100 and this is gonna be our last gift. Alrighty guys, let's do this. This is probably gonna be our last 2 gifts. Probably one, because if I'm playing, never mind. Anyways, let's do this, and I hope I get something from the rares. I really want something from the rares. Should I try to get this one? I am $1 off. You know what? I'm gonna feed my animal so I can buy the big one. Where's the drinks? I'm gonna give him a soda. He has soda. He hasn't had a soda. I don't know what she is. I'm gonna make him a boy. I'm gonna buy the big gift. Dude, how much are these? Oh, never mind then. I'm gonna buy a small gift since that's the only one I can afford. Please be something rare. Oh, I can buy 2. That's fun. I'm gonna buy 2. Alrighty. Please be something from the rares. Please be something from the rares. Oh, it's a common. That's okay. We still have one more gift. I hope it's not. I don't want it to be common because I have everything from the common. So. Please be a rare or ultra rare or legendary. I don't really care. Oh, it's an uncommon. But that's okay. Hold on. Alrighty guys, I am back. I had to go clean up my cat's mess. She spilled food all over the place. Anyways, I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. Oh wait, hold on. But if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on this post notification so you guys are notified every single time I post. I love you all so much. Bye! Mwah! I'm out of breath.